Hi, let me show you how to create a photo album on iPhone. So firstly, of course, we are gonna start with opening Photos app. Now, I want you to scroll a bit down until you can reach Category Albums. And here, if you don't have any albums, then tap blue option Create and customize it. For example, we can give this album a name. Let's use nature. Let me just change language and do it again. Great. And now we can tap on this blue option to add photos to this album. Just pick something from the list, click Add in the top right, and you will see those photos in this little preview screen. So, additionally, if you want to, you can add some emojis here. So let's add something else. For example, let's add this one. And by tapping option Create in the top right, this album will appear in the list. By tapping it, you can access all of its photos. So, if you want to add something new, then you can tap it, tap on the plus, and add more photos from the list. Or you can just pick a photo, tap on the Share button, scroll a bit down, and choose option Add to Album. Now just select your album, and after that you will see it there. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.